To update a root file for your FlexSpeak ADA talking bus system, you will need a microSD card and adapter, which will be included in your kit, and the talking bus web app, Bus Stop Selector. Step 1. Insert the microSD card into the adapter, then insert the adapter into a USB or micro USB port on your computer. Step 2. Navigate to the USB drive and double-click on the roots folder to confirm that the desired root file is present so it can be updated or replaced. Step 3. Go to the Talking Bus web app. You can get to it either through the FlexSpeak programming utility link or on the Intermotive website through the Downloads page under FlexSpeak ADA Talking Bus. Step 4. On the web app, click on the Load Root File button. Navigate to the Roots folder on your USB drive and select the root file you would like to update. Click Open. Step 5. Modify the bus stop details as desired. Click on the View Instructions button if you need assistance. Step 6. When finished, click on the Save Root File button. Make sure you are in the Roots folder on your USB drive, then save. Click Yes to replace the file.